I discovered today the nature spring water under the rocks, below the mountain, above the mountain, more trees. Purely drinking water, unnatural. This water is very help to the human to be the build up of the immune system. Very good in human. No smell and very good taste, very clean. Now and then, thank you Lord for the blessings of this. I drink this every day. Oh, the plenty of water, very clean. I drink now. Very cold, very good taste, no smell, very help the human of the immune system. Thank you for watching.